Hello kids, today we will learn division. Division definition. Division is the process of breaking a number into equal parts or groups. Division is just sharing equally. Example, you have six chocolates and 3 friends. If you share equally, each friend gets 2 chocolates. So 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. Division is denoted by this symbol. Key division terms. Let's see with simple example. Divisor. The number you divide by. Here 3 is divisor. Dividend. The big number you want to divide. Here 6 is dividend. Coefficient. The answer you get after dividing. Here 2 is coefficient. Remainder. Leftover number if things don't divide evenly. Here 0 is remainder. Easy story example. Imagine you have 12 candies. You want to share them among 3 friends. Dividend is 12 candies to share. Divisor is 3 friends. Coefficient is 4. Each friend gets 4. Remainder is 0. Nothing left over. We take an example of sharing equally 12 apples into 4 baskets. How we can divide? We put 3 apples in each basket. Let's solve some problems. A farmer has 20 mangoes. He wants to put them into 5 baskets. How many mangoes in each basket? Here 5 is divisor, 20 is dividend. Find coefficient and remainder. We need to know 5 times table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. Here 5 times 4 is 20. 20 is divided by 5 with 4 times. So each basket have 4 mangoes. A teacher has 13 toys. She wants to give those toys to 4 children. How many toys each child will get? Here 4 is divisor, 13 is dividend. Find out coefficient and remainder. For this, we need to know 4 times table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Here 4 times 3 is 12. 13 minus 12 equal to 1. Coefficient 3, remainder 1. So each child will get 3 ties and 1 tie remains with teacher. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Kids School Bag.